down now, stability now to the portal. Hit the portal as hard as you can. Big repress on us, big repress on us, big repress on us. Pushing all the way towards the spawn in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pushing towards the spawn, towards the spawn, towards the spawn. Blast as we go, towards the spawn, towards the spawn, towards the spawn. Go, go, go. Pushing, reverse in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's clear upstairs. Nice. Yeah, this. You see the difference between the SFR group and this one. This is scrubs. The other guys are not scrubs. You have to fight. If you want to win them, you need to fight. Be patient, use your dodges and your defensive cooldowns wisely.
Bags.
Just need one fucking dodge everything. No, don't chase. SFR is attacking the other side, right?
Chase the pussy.
Yeah, of course they are. Let's go. Get in. Get inside, full disengage, meet me at the log room. Check your food, check your oils, please. Check your food, check your oils. I suggest minus condi, minus 40. Let's go, boys. What the fuck? Disengage, freaking disengage. They cannot take the gate with no fight. Let's go.
User joined your channel.
Go. What's the gate up?
Gate is 15.
Yeah. Go. Grouping on me, buffing 5 seconds. Buffing 3 seconds, veil in front if you have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, veil. Take the veil. For the left side, pop stability. Hit them all, through them. All your defenses cool down and go through them. Big refreshes on us, big refresh. Up the walls in 5, 4, 3, hope I'm down.
Oh wow, that's lag.
Up on top, up on the walls, I got dropped down. Up on the walls, yeah, good. Up on the walls.
You need to fucking push.
NFRs if you are in front, pressure down only. If you are not with me, pressure down. The gaze on the bridge, if you are getting pushed, jump in the water, don't die. Oh, we have a lot of people alive out, okay? I'm coming on top, I'm coming. Meet me on top. I am lagging and I'm out again. Nice. Up on top, I'm coming. Meet me. Buffing. 3, 2, 1, squeeze now. Everyone push the bridge. Meet us at the main. Pop stability, pop protections, give us big waters. All quickness fire. Hold on me. Hold strong. All blinds fire. If you want to dodge towards our keep. Keep the spikes, quickness, empowers, 3 seconds, empowers, 2, 1, let's pushing out, big fight, lands in front, roll back now, give them space, range space, well bombs, Necros, well bombs, keep the empowers, keep the refresh, roll back now, too hot, roll back. Banner in front.
Man, so many people don't push. Fucking useless.
You need to meet me. The what?
We catapult wallet Jerry. It's down.
Yeah, watch it. Water flanks. No. It's okay. That's fine. And buffing now. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Much better. Let's go. Get ready with stability and protection. Up on top. We are going up on top. Pop stabilities. Fake push in front. Up on top. Everyone. Fucking disengage up on top. Go. Above their head. Let's go. Keep going. Buffing corner. Up the cannons. Buffing up the cannons. Range pressure bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, range pressure. We are going back inside. Millie with me. Range stay on top. Jumping down. 3. Jump the tail. Hammerstans. Hold on me. Full refresh. Refresh. Roll back now. Roll back. Two good stairs. Nice. Two good stairs. Nice fucking damage. Empowers. All the way down in 3, 2, 1. Go down. To the down.
Come on the down.
All blinds go. Quickness if you haven't. We are pushing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go all the way out. Lines of boarding, statics, frost fields, everything you freaking have. Pop stabilities. Don't get caught. Pop stabilities. I need them dead. if I have 100% of the focus, we can stay alive, and then we can kill them. Not in open field yet. We are not ready for full open field. Closer to our spawn, yes. With me. Disengage. I'm gonna backpedal so I can regroup to 3, 2, 1. Buff speed on top. Buffing in 5 seconds. Do they have anyone on top? They bail.
Riverside back at South Peak.
Let's go to the
User
riverside
joined your
side.
channel.
Go, found the riverside.